Well, after 5 years, the vehicle is warning me that it's time to change the battery in the controller. So the battery's at 2450. I selected Duracell. You can select your own favorite brand. The Duracell's a little difficult to unpackage. It has plastic on both sides of the battery, which I didn't expect. I thought this whole piece would just pop off and the battery would fall out, but it doesn't. So it takes a little bit of twisting and prying to get the battery out. The controller has a push button on the front, right here. Press that, and you can pull your emergency key out. I guess it's meant so that you can use this emergency key to pry on that wide slot right there. I got lots of tools in my toolbox, so I'm going to use this wide bladed flat screwdriver. Get into that. You pry it up a bit. Probably have to hold it with your fingers to get the screwdriver around that first bit, and then when you give it the next twist, it will release, or you can just pull it up with your fingers. There's two little plastic ears that correspond to two matching slots on either side of the battery, wide slots here, and you just have to overcome those little ears. Even my narrowest bladed screwdriver wouldn't fit in this tiny slot beside the battery, so I'm using a little pick. You just give it a little pry up like any other battery. It's spring-loaded underneath, so you might want to put your finger on top to hold it from flying across the room. Typically, like any other of these round 3-volt batteries, just press it in. There's two little ears right here holding it in place. The back cover has one additional little tab on it right here. So you want to get that in first. So insert it into the controller like this, and then just press down to put those two ears around the battery. Everything's done. Inside, replace the emergency key, and you're done. And it works.